How to add shape dividers to sections in Squarespace. To do that, just click on this add block option and then from in there, just choose in here shape. Now, once you have done that, a shape will be added. Now, if you want, you can just resize it to your liking. For example, let's size it at around like that and then click on this pencil icon or edit icon. Now, from in there, you can choose the type of shape that you want. So for this one, I'm actually satisfied with this rectangle shape. And then in here, you can also put in here a stretch as well as a blend mode, drop color, and then likes. So for example, let's put this one at around 5 and you can resize it or stretch it like that. So we have it also in here some strokes and the likes. So for this one, if you want to divide it, you can head over and then click on it as well again. And then from in there, you can just resize it in order to duplicate it and then position it wherever in order to make the divider. So that's how you add shape dividers and section in Squarespace. Hope we helped.